In this video, we are going to be talking about networking for business growth and how it's helped me and why I think it's so important for you to help you grow your business. Networking is a fantastic place to potentially get new opportunities. Now, this may come in the form of partnerships, may come in the form of event invitations. There are so many new opportunities that can possibly come through networking, and you won't find them until you go and network. One of the ways that it's helped me within my business is I've been able to partner with personal trainers. Now, one of the services that my business offers is sports therapy and physical therapy, and this is a great partnership with personal trainers. They have clients who may be getting injured or have tension or tightness, and they can then recommend them to me. And this is a fantastic partnership and a fantastic way that I've been able to benefit from networking events. Had I not been to these networking events, I may never have met these people and may never have been able to get these extra clients. Networking is also a fantastic place for free promotion. Yes, promotion is free. And what I mean by this is, the more people that know about your product, service, or business, the more people that are likely to recommend it. If I tell 100 people about my business, then I've got 100 opportunities to sell my services. But if only one person knows about it, then I only have one opportunity to sell it. So the more people that know about the product or services that you're offering, the more chance you have of selling them. And networking provides a fantastic opportunity to promote your product or services for free. Even going to these networking events in your uniform, with your website on the back, or whatever. These are fantastic ways and fantastic opportunities to promote yourself and promote your business. Networking is also a fantastic place to build confidence. The more people you talk to about your business and the services you offer, the more confident you'll become in talking about it. So networking is a fantastic way to boost up your confidence, get more confident in speaking about your business, and get more confident in selling yourself and selling what it is that you provide. Networking can be so difficult initially, and talking to someone, especially a stranger, can be really daunting. But the more you do this, the more you practice, the easier it will become, and you'll become a pro at networking as time goes on. Networking is also an opportunity to create long-lasting friendships or relationships or partnerships. One of my closest friends I actually met at a business networking event. Have you ever met someone and you've just clicked? Well, this sometimes happens at networking events. And by going to networking events, you're giving yourself that opportunity to meet new people, engage with new people, which can potentially create new opportunities, new friendships, and new relationships. Remember, support the team. Networking events are also a fabulous place to exchange ideas for free. You may see someone else running their business, a completely different business to you, and they may be doing something that you think will benefit your business. By talking to other business owners, other entrepreneurs, or different types of people, they may give you ideas and suggestions that can really help you and your business. And likewise, you may have some crucial and vital information and knowledgeable information that you can give to someone else. And if you help someone else with their business, they are more likely to help you with your business. And if you found this video useful, check out these 10 reasons why entrepreneurs fail. Check them out right now. Peace and love.